What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're going to be making a new round handler and a generator system part 1, because part 1 is not exactly finished yet. This one's getting, like, the base done, and, part 2 will actually make it reduce time, give it malice, and some money for it. So, first thing, what you want to do is in the description, there should be a paste bin for a new round handler. This includes a new LMS theme, taking time. Yeah, taking time from the player, or not taking from the. Yeah, taking time when, or no, adds time when a killer gets kill someone, obviously, and yeah, and it like resets to a timer for the LMS to go. But yeah, I pasted in, and you see some stuff, some new stuff. She's like 3, and then like not enough players, LMS, that's a yeah, like all that stuff. But and what you want to do is go to the sound service and add a new sound called LMS. Uh, LMS. Are you sure I'm still recording? Yep. Oh, not fonts. What am I doing? Not fonts. What am I doing? Audios. You can search up like chase music or whatever. You want to paste that in there. Like whatever LMS you have, so I'm going to paste that in. Right here, if you want to change, if you want to if you want to change your LMS, you want to also if you don't like the status timer doing this, you could just like do this. Yeah, let me find the LMS thing where it like resets to that time. Let me check. Yeah, right here, right here. If you like have any if you have like a timer, like how long the LMS you want it to be, you got this. And since we got that LMS set up, let's test it out. So let's go to test, and let's do like 5 players. 5 players sounds fine. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna be going to vacation soon. So like, if y'all follow my files and follow tutorials on mine, please expect me not to have video for 3 weeks because I'll be taking a break after this episode because just get myself used to everything. But don't worry, I'll be back in like 3 weeks. Except that 2 weeks, I actually have to go to vacation, but like the week I'll have. But yeah, you get it. But otherwise, let's get to the tutorial. And after we test out this round handler thing, we're just gonna be going to like play around with the generators. Uh, what else? Yeah, that's it. We're just gonna make a simple generator system. Then obviously soon in the future we'll make better generators, probably more variants of generators instead of just I should say objectives to be more correct. Now, since I give you the round handle, I don't want people to be too lazy, and I want people to learn. So today we're gonna be coding the generator, or not generator. I don't think this is a generator related thing. Is it really related to generators? I am not sure. to like get everyone in. But yeah, I'm sorry if it's pretty laggy because I have like a lot of tabs. And then like you got this. Let's let me reset. And then if I reset, it should boom. Oh, what? And if I reset, the LMS music should reset. Alright, so there. I don't know what happened there, but that works. But first off, I want to test out if... Oh my god. I don't know why that guy's walking in place. No. But like, we obviously want to test out if... Oh my god, why is this so laggy? Yeah, it's probably because everyone's joining in. Yeah, it's kind of hard to record while having this. But, yeah. Check the recording. Looks fine. Oh, shoot, what happened? Yeah, let me just test this one more time and see if the whole resetting thing works. Okay, what? Dude, what is wrong with this? And now if I reset, it should add time. There, now it adds time. So yeah, that's something new. I gotta clean this all up. Give us a second. There, now we're back to where we were. Finally, less laggy. Okay, I gotta figure out not get metal TV in the way. But, so yeah, we're gonna do generators. I'll show you what we're gonna be making today. So I have this one already in, and, I don't know why it's lagging, but, I have this generator. I don't know why it's laggy. I'm really sorry if it's laggy for you guys. I'm not exactly sure what's up with this, but yeah. Why are my graphics all already so low? We'll be making something like this. And then boom. You got this one also. It's like the basic generator, but it does the same exact thing as that. So yeah, let's code this thing. So let's make the basic generator first. So first off, the generator test, the first one, by the way, is like this. Yep. Make something like this. Make a proximity prompt. And I have these two sounds, and they're called completed and generator sounds. I'll show you the IDs. So this is the ID for this, or completed. And for the generator sound, this is the ID. Alright, cool. I think you have it. Good. And then you're going to add a script. So what you're going to do is local prompt. Oh. We could do script.parent. We're going to do prompt.triggered. We're going to connect this to a function. It's going to be a really easy code. All we're going to do is just prompt enabled equal to false. And script.parent completed play. We're going to do the same thing. Script.parent dot parent dot generator sound will play. Alright, for the generator sound, make sure loop this on so it's like that. And go to proximity ROM to go to here, hold duration. You can make it like 15 seconds. And do like, you could do like whatever you want. Oh, wait, no. You want to change it so you could do like action text and object test. You could change that if you want. But obviously, yeah. And when we run, we can complete the generator. And then boom, we got it. And now since we got that in the way, let's do the other thing I made. This was obviously gonna be a bit more advanced, but it'll all be fine. So first off, let's make it first. This is gonna be a bit more tough, but it's okay. So you want to grab your own like block, and you want to like size this, whatever. Make sure it's not too big. So like I recommend like grabbing it up avatar. So wait, no, not avatar. R6 block. Oh, this looks like a good size. I like this. Looks fine. Then I'm gonna call this generator. I'm gonna call it generator test. Oh, what the? Generator test. Generator test 2. We're gonna anchor this. And I'm gonna copy this and put it into, or yeah, you can copy and put it into here. I'm gonna call this decor, which means decoration, by the way. Which is like these like little like parts I showed you like before, like, you know, before. Hold on, bear back. Anyways, I'm back. Sorry about that. How you want to just pull this out just a little bit, and we can change the color to this instead. Am I doing everything right? Yeah, it looks like I'm doing everything right. So maybe you could make it a bit bigger, like this big. Yeah, sounds fine. It's like put it like this at the end, like that, that, and that. Oh, it looks too big. Well, actually, you could just bring it down like this, and then boom. There we go. Now we got that. Now you want to make the wire itself. So since we got all this, make sure all the thing. Yeah, and you can just do this. Make sure it's the right size. Yeah, you just really want to make sure you got the right size. And we're gonna call this wire 1. They're gonna do the same thing for up here. Oops. You wanna make sure this is good. And then make sure you rename these wires to like numbered individuals. You can have like as many as you want as long as you're like modifying a bit. Like I'll show you how to modify it in a second when we get to coding. Okay, so I want to do this and then just put it in the middle. And then we're going to do that. And then wire 4. There, now it should look like this. And now you want to like put them in a 90 degrees. If you want to exactly put them 90 degrees, all you need to do is just go to model and make sure move is checked and make sure it's one stud so it's easier. Then boom, you got it. This is what it should pretty much look like. And you should be good to go. And now let's get to adding the sounds. Now, we already got the completed generator sound, but we need 2 more other ones. You can just copy and paste the completed and generator sounds. But for the click, it's one, this is the ID. And for wire complete, this is the ID. Yeah, I'll just pause on that. I'm sorry if it was too quick, but yeah. I just want to go to script. And here are the variables. So we're gonna do local generator, which puts a script dot parent, local wire completed, which is gonna be instance dot new, and it's gonna be the number value. And where is it gonna be parented? And it's gonna be parented into the generator. I should have known that. And wire. And wire complete dot value should be 0. And we're gonna do for loop wire in I pairs generator. Then get children to say if wire hold on, is a base part. You can do and wire dot name lower and then find wire. Then you're gonna do local click Sorry about that. I'm back. But we could do local click detector. We're gonna do wire. Find first child of class. Click. You know what? You can add it, but this time we're gonna just do or instance.new and then click detector. Actually, we don't really have to do the find first child of class thing. And the wire, we're gonna do click detector max, which is basically max activation distance. It's basically how far you can click it, like in studs. You're gonna do local current rotation. It's gonna be 0, and local rotating is equal to gonna be false. And then complete. Oh wait, local completed equal to false. Do click detector dot mouse click connect to a function player. Hold on, just looking. We're getting pretty close to the end though. Anyways, if rotating or oh my god, or completed, then return it. And then rotating equals to true. And then current rotation plus equals to 15. And this will actually like wire. Sorry, I completely dozed off. But that wire C frame is gonna be star equals, which means multiply it. And they're gonna C frame dot angles. They're gonna do 0, 0. And we're gonna do math dot rad, which is like returns the angle, like radians, if that makes sense. And then generator dot click play. We could test that out, but first, before we keep going, then we're gonna do task.wait. Task.wait is like a little bit more like a less of a lag spike, since wait can cause more lag spikes. Rotating will equals false. So let's test this out. Let's see if there's any errors. Got everything working, like the shop. Yes. That all works. Yep. Let me click. It's actually more thin than I want it to be, isn't it? You can see it turns. But obviously when it hits that, it's just gotta ignore that. You just I kinda hate how it's kind of like, how would I say it? Let me make it a bit more thick. There, now, back to here. We're gonna go back to here. And we're gonna do if current rotation is greater than or equal to 90, then do completed equals to, it's gonna be true. Oh, and then wire dot brick color. Oh, no, brick color equals to brick color dot new and lime green. Never mind. Sorry. Wire the material. Then enum. Oh my god. Enum material dot neon. And then click detector will be destroyed. And then wire completed, the number value made is going to be added by 1. And then we're going to do generator dot wire complete. It's going to play. And then print wire completed. This is like all optional, it's just prints and output, but like people can like see it though, so it's probably not recommended, but yeah. And wire completed dot value, and then we're gonna do if wire dot completed value is greater than, wait, hold on, it's greater than or equal to 4. But like obviously if you have like more wires, like let's just say you have 5 wires instead, you could you can like do like how much you have. But otherwise nothing really is gonna change. So you could do generator dot completed will play, and generator dot wire complete will play, and then generator. Well, actually, no. Right here, we're actually do stop, so it doesn't overlay when it makes the sounds. The generator sounds. Well, actually, let's do like a test dot wait for like 0.5 seconds. That sounds good, yeah. And now let's test this out. See, we're in. I know something. Is my head doing that? Oh, it's just me. Yeah. I don't know why my graphics are so low. But yeah, so now you go over here, click on it, turns, and when we actually hit it, so you got it. You've got a print. There, you're gonna do it again. Completed. Well, there you go. If you like want like proximity prompts instead, you can just like copy this and then generator test. Let's do test free. Yeah, test free sounds fine. But here are the stuff we're gonna do instead. So we're over here. We're gonna, instead of do click detector, we're gonna do proximity prompt. And this, let's add a proximity prompt so we know what we're trying to do. So we want to edit the hold duration. So hold duration is gonna be 0. And then what else? Let's see. Keyboard max indicator distance. Object test style. Yeah. But instead a mouse click, it's gonna be triggered. Let's do like another one, like click detector dot enabled equals to false. But make sure we don't have to rename it to the click detector, but it's all up to you. But you just have to rename every single thing that has click detector. Now if we test, now let's see what we got today. So we got like a click detector with this, and we got this. So now you try. Yep, it works. That's something. That's interesting. Now let's figure out something real quick. Now maybe instead we could go to here triggered, and then maybe this we could do like for loop the wire in I pairs or do generator, then get children do. And then let's do wire find first child. And it's gonna be a proximity. Oh, prompt. How much I was recording? 41 minutes. Okay. And let's try that again. See, it might fix the problem. There might be in a simpler way, but I kind of rushed on that. So now let's test it out. There, now you can't like spam it everywhere. And it's like the same thing for this. Except that you can't spam, you gotta like go everywhere. That makes sense. You could just do this. Okay, so let's fix this. And I say if not wire, then just return it. Let's try that again. It's doing that again. I told it if it's not wire, then it has this, but not this. Oh, I know why. That's probably because I was an idiot the entire time. That might fix it, might not. I don't know why, but I'm playing with my remote right now. It's doing that. Might fix it. Let's see. It's still doing that. I'm trying to tell it that. All right. So let's not do the whole proximity prompt thing. Sorry about wasting your time, but it just didn't work out right. But yeah. So let's do like a little quick summary of what we did today. So today we worked on a bare similar objective, while with a generator objective, a pretty basic one. But in the next tutorial, we're gonna make it so like if you complete one, it'll actually like, you know, like reduce time. And like I think in the next episode, I'll like put in a kit of how much like of like a lot of like generator templates. But otherwise, I hope y'all are having a good day. Join my Discord server if you want chat, get notified if video comes out, or like just get help in general. But like when you ask for help, make sure you're doing it in help and support, and please do not ping me for it. Ping one of my support nexus, like trying to support nexus, right? Yeah, support nexus or helper nexus. And I pretty much have an active community. And if you want to buy my shirt, like I think in 2 days, the files are gonna the discount for it's gonna be gone soon. It's on a discount right now. So I recommend in like it's gonna be like gone in 2 days. It's gonna be back to 749, and have access to like all these files, like all these files right here. You can see you got all this. Yeah, you can see you can port any bugs, but obviously bugs like this are gonna be reduced or not reduced. I'm sorry, like fixed in the next update. But yeah, see y'all in the next one and have a good day. Bye.